Hey guys, I'm Kanishka Thakur from Bloggers Ideas, and today I will be doing a detailed review about Masterclass by Bob Iger, where he talks about business strategies and a lot more. In this detailed review of Masterclass by Bob Iger, you will be gaining a lot of value, must say. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to watch till the end. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends so that all of you can sit together and pursue this course. To begin with, let me ask you, do you know what's Disney? Oops, wrong question. I'm sure every person on this entire globe knows about Disney the Great. Today, I'm going to tell you about a course taught by the CEO of Disney. Isn't this part the only fascinating thing? If you are someone who loves business and would love to learn something new strategies, and if it's going to be super helpful for your company, and that too from the most experienced person. Also, since you people are here to know a course from Masterclass, let me start by telling you people a little about Masterclass. So Masterclass is an online platform for learning various courses. It is based in San Francisco and it was developed with an aim to provide the best instructors for writers, chefs, musicians, creative professionals, business enthusiasts, painters, artists, photography, and so much more. These courses are super affordable and very valuable. You can either pay $90 for each course and access it for a lifetime, or they have a superb option where you can buy a $180 all-access pass and enjoy all the courses for 1 year. This course is about various strategies and leaderships in business, and it is taught by Bob Iger himself, who uses a great start and says that there is no way that you can achieve great gains without taking great chances. Isn't he the man of the best words already? So, what all is going to be covered in this online program? Leadership, core attributes, creativity, how to develop strategies, and a lot more is going to be learned in this. The main topics which are related to this is the importance of risk taking. Then it is focusing the strategy of your company. Negotiating is a very important art which is also taught in this, and also how to expand your brand. He also talks about how to manage disruptions. And with all of this, there are some very interesting stories of Walt Disney and its major acquisitions. He says one very amazing line. That is, if you create a brand and ask yourself a question, when I put the brand name on the product, what does it convey? When I said the word Disney in the start, I'm sure every one of you had a visual representation in your mind. And that is what he explains with his brand name. He took over in 2005 and has expanded the theme parks of the company by opening Disney resorts in Shanghai and acquiring popular creators like Pixar, Marvel, and Lucasfilm. He started a $150 production a week, and now here he is earning tons of money and running one of the greatest companies in the world. He says, Disney is all about the core attributes and values of the storyteller. He conveys loads of messages through these stories. This includes respect for others, value of hard work, triumph over evil, the spirit of adventure, risk-taking, a strong belief in resilience, the ability to pick yourself up and get back to the fight. He says, you can achieve these things only then your success is boundless. To which he also adds proudly and says, we have all of this at Walt Disney. He is truly inspired by great leadership, creativity, and the people who are willing and daring to take huge risks. He says he has had the best 45 years of learning and risk-taking, where he witnessed both good times as well as the bad ones. He says that with his experience, he has learned that everything is a risk. Nothing is given to you, and there are unknowns at all the time. Success is fantastic and it makes you feel extremely great, but remember, failure can be just around the corner and you should know how to overcome this failure. This one piece of advice that he preaches, everyone after his father quotes him in line of Shakespeare which says, "To thine own self be true," which simply means that you should be 100% true to yourself before being truthful to anyone else. Trust me, I'm practicing this in my world and it seems better and less deceived than before. So this entire course you are going to finish in about 2 hours, 8 minutes or so. It also has a handy workbook of 36 pages and is super beneficial for you. Trust me at this. So talking about module 1. This is divided into 2 sections. First one is always remember your focus, which determines your reality.
Please remember, your focus determines your reality.
In this chapter, Bob says that focus is a very important factor for good leadership because people need to sense the priorities of organization and what should your priorities actually be. One very important thing that he teaches from his experience is that the more strategies you have for the company, the less focus you will have on it, and it will lead to more spread out of time and capital. The 3 important strategies of his career were the first being invest in creativity, the second is to embrace technology, and the last one is to grow globally. Bob mentions in a quote in the workbook which makes so much sense. It says, you have to be able to articulate your priorities very effectively over and over again. The second section is managing industry disruptions. In this part, he teaches how one should keep a foot in the present and how to keep the other foot in future. So you should know how to embrace change. And he says that the best way to deal with disruptions is to first understand what is happening around you. He tells you that change is inevitable and you should know how to deal with it. Talking about the second module, this module is divided into 3 further sections. The first is named as Taking Giant Swings. Have you ever wondered about the acquisition of Pixar? Here Bob gives you a brief case study on the acquisition. He tells you about the struggle Disney faced in animation and how his first goal after being a CEO was to turn around the animation of Walt Disney. He briefs how they had issues in acquiring Pixar and the contracts were disrupted completely. A big blow happened at Walt when this was published. He also shares how he resolved his relationships with Steve Jobs and says, I typically like to put things on the table in a fairly candid manner, in a direct manner and quickly. The second section is about art of negotiation. This is my favorite one from the module. In this, Bob teaches that every person has different ways to negotiate. He tells you how he negotiates and how useful it has become and made a mark in his life. He has successfully done 4 deals for 14 years. And he acquired Pixar, Marvel, Lucasfilm and 21st Century Fox. He tells how he negotiated with them to get to a deal that benefits from both the parties. The third section is navigating complex deals. Well, in this section, he talks about the case study of 21st Century Fox, how he acquired the assets and evaluated them. He also tells about the bidding war that happened. Let's not get into the bidding war, but the bidding war Comcast was making a huge bid for 21st Century Fox, which led to the danger for Disney. And the way all of this was resolved is told by Bob, which gives you a great opportunity to learn about negotiating. Trust me, I'm so excited to talk about it. This module is also divided into 3 chapters, that is the third module. The first one is creating brand value, which according to Bob is extremely important and crucial. What comes to your mind when you see this? Disney! This is because it is super strong brand. Bob teaches how important it is to create a brand that people will immediately link when they see a product of that brand. He tells you about the attributes of Disney, which helps you create a brand using loads of strategies. You know, this has just strategies and Bob. So he really shows the empowerment of women by giving an example of Frozen, which is my favorite, and creates a huge impact straight into your heart. This helps young children to decide their role model by the best way, that is storytelling, and that too in a positive manner. In this part, Bob uses a statement that says Disney is a brand which must be respected, not revered. So what is the difference? Reverence insists that a brand remains frozen in time, and replicating the structure of past success with diminishing returns. Respect, on the other hand, recognizes a reasons for a brand value, and to begin with, it also values which puts them into a changing world. The second chapter is about how to expand your brand. Well, hey there Marvel fans, this you will definitely love, because in this module, he talks about the acquisition of Marvel and how crucial acquisition is for any company and what can be the effects and consequences of the same. Here he teaches how to capitalize with a strong fan base. He saw the potential in people who were just huge fans of Marvel characters like me, and he created a great value that Disney could possess. He guides you to be authentic in everything you do and always operate with integrity, which is by far the most important thing that I felt. The importance of perfectionism and the way perfection constructs you and your business. He also teaches how to be decisive in your own mistakes. Lastly, he ends by saying one should always be optimistic while handling issues. He finally concludes his masterclass by wishing his students good luck for future, great integrity and boundless success. So a lot of people has been asking that who is this course designed for? Well, according to me, anybody who wants to have a successful business or is an enthusiast who wants to expand their business, this course is the right fit for you. I personally had a lot of fun and energy while doing this course. The business enthusiast will definitely feel the vibe around while learning from Bob Iger. In fact, he portrays everything in a story format that even if you're not a business enthusiast, you will just love it. I would definitely suggest this course to everyone out there seeing this video. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the course and learn from the best. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All the best people for the great future full of success, integrity, perfection, humor, curiosity, optimism and much more. You will love it. So I hope you guys like this Bob Iger Masterclass review, and it's a must recommend from my end. And if you want to pursue this course, you can find the link to this specific course in the description below. Please go and check that out. I hope you take the advantage of what this amazing person has to teach us. Until then, see you, take care, bye-bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.